Hello there, my name is Dapo Obembe and welcome to my channel. If you are here, chances are that you're passionate about building an amazing website, diving into the world of coding, or taking your web design skill to the next level. And let me tell you, you are in the right place. I've been a web developer for close to a decade now, helping people and businesses bring their ideas to reality. Whether it's creating stunning websites, making websites user-friendly, or understanding the secret of intuitive web design, my mission is simple: to make these skills easy and accessible for you. I'll be sharing with you things I wish I had when I began my journey to web development in form of tutorials, tips, and insights so that you don't waste time learning unnecessary things. I will focus on HTML, CSS, and SASS, JavaScript, PHP, React, Nextjs, WordPress, MySQL, SEO, and so on. If you also want to become a master of WordPress, either as a developer or as a designer, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. But this channel isn't just about me, it's about us. I want this to be a community where we learn and create wonders together. So whether you are a beginner or a seasoned developer interested in WordPress development, there is something for everyone. So hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey to design, build, and code the web of our dream. And hey, don't forget to comment and tell me what you love to see next. Once again, welcome to my channel, and I would love to see you more often.